Hi everybody! I'm not in my kitchen. I'm traveling right now. No matter where I go, I have to cook. I gotta eat. Today's recipe is Korean style spicy chicken skewers, in Korean 닭꼬치. This is kind of a Korean street food. Probably you already tasted if you visited Korea. There are many different kinds of versions, but today's kind of my favorite version, of course, spicy version. Let's cook together. This is chicken thigh, little more than 2 pounds. So prepare 2 pounds of chicken thigh or chicken breast. The reason I like chicken thigh is that kind of a little juicy. After cooking, a little juicy, never dry. Before handling my chicken, I like to make a spicy sauce first. 1/3 cup gochujang Korean hot pepper paste, rice syrup, same amount, so 1/3 cup rice syrup. And then 2 tablespoons gochugaru, Korean hot pepper flakes. I'm traveling, this is always gochugaru. I just keep this into my zipper bag and traveling. And then vinegar, 2 tablespoons. This is apple vinegar, but any type of distilled vinegar will work well. And then 2 tablespoons cooking oil. And then we need some water here. This 1/4 cup water. And mix. Spicy, sweet, just a little sour, shiny and thin, not thick. Next, chicken. Chicken thigh, I like to trim some fat. Okay, one by one. We gotta cut this into pieces, and also I'm going to trim this fat. And go ahead. When I trim this is fat, and this is a kind of a leftover some pieces. And of course, we can cook this later. Okay, I wash. We gotta season this meat. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, and then 4 large garlic cloves, and just a little bit green onion. This green onion is large size, large green onion. I always use lots of garlic, especially when I cooked chicken. Let's mix. We season this very lightly, so not very salty here. That's why we need this red sauce later. And I want to add some green onion. Before I came here and I stopped by Korean grocery store because I knew I would cook lots of Korean food. Let's add some green onion. And around here. So this is my rice cake, 가래떡. Then let's skewer. You can marinate like for 30 minutes or even overnight. Well marinated chicken is really delicious, but just I'm busy. What is my sentence? I'm busy. I gotta finish my filming this, so I'm just cooking right now. This is 10-inch wooden skewer. green onion, this one, so we made large size and 5 big skewers. I just heat this rice cake in microwave oven for 30 seconds. We have a grill outside. Let's go and cook. I'm ready to cook. I'm using this grill. I just preheated this grill, so I'm going to cook without the lid. I'm just to cook for 5 minutes. After that, I flip them over and another 5 minutes. After that, we are going to add sauce, red sauce. If I add red sauce just right now, it's going to be burnt. They are really nicely cooked. Rice cake too. It smells amazing. So see, chicken is all 98% cooked. So use this sauce. Sauce is not very salty, so you can use as much as you can. Make it shiny and red. I'm going to add this one here too. Around 1 minute later, I'm going to flip them over again, and I will add this sauce to the other side. I have this glove, heat-resistant glove. Let's flip them over. Happy time, time to eat. These flowers from wildflowers, I just picked up for you guys. Isn't it pretty? I need kind of booze. This booze, non-alcoholic. These days, I don't drink alcohol. Maybe someday I may change my mind, but this is non-alcoholic booze. Chicken and some rice cake. I can't eat all, just one rice cake. Green onion. Cheers, everybody. Are you happy? So am I. It's good, good. So chicken. So good, so good. Oh my. My rice cake. Sweet and a little bit sour, chewy rice cake, and little crunchy outside. And basically, this is a kind of a tteokbokki, grilled tteokbokki. Today is my another delicious life. I hope your life is also delicious. So today we made 닭꼬치, Korean style spicy chicken skewers. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.